The NavePoint Cat6 CCA, 1000 feet, blue, solid bulk Ethernet cable, 550 MHz, 23-air and 4-pair, unshielded twisted pair UTP, is an essential tool for achieving reliable networking connections, whether for residential setups or larger-scale applications. This cable, crafted with copper-clad aluminum CCA conductors, offers cost-effective connectivity while supporting bandwidths of up to 550 MHz, accommodating high-speed data transfer needs. Its 23 AWG gauge ensures durability, and the unshielded twisted pair design minimizes interference while maintaining integrity. The vibrant blue color adds aesthetic organization when arranging and identifying cables. Ideal for various Ethernet applications, this product demonstrates a balance between performance and affordability. It becomes a reliable choice for users who seek efficiency and functionality in their networking equipment.